Hey, Aida Dryjanski here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching my videos. In today's video, you will find out which are the social media trends that are still dominating 2019 and you will learn how to use them effectively in your marketing strategies. But before I dive in, just take a quick moment to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel below. Thank you. And with that said, let's go into today's content. I'm super excited to share with you proven social media marketing strategies that you can use to help your business drive positive results. These days, more than ever, social media marketing is about building trust. Trust with your audience. How can you do that? Well, by learning how to use these social media strategies in your marketing. Let me get right to the point and tell you which are the social media trends you should consistently use in your business beginning today, now. 1. Video content is king. Video is dominating everywhere, and the experts think that it will continue to grow in the next years. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and other platforms are using video. If you are not taking advantage of video, do not wait and start today. 2. Blogging. People like to be involved in your story, not just in your product or your service or what you are selling. They want and they expect personal connection. Your audience wants the chance to get to know you through your blogs. You're going to provide value, expertise, education, as well as the chance to personally connect with you. 3. Facebook. Facebook, my friends, is forever changing. Take advantage of Facebook Lives and Facebook Stories. Engagement is the name of the game when it comes to Facebook marketing. This format allows you to interact with audiences in real time, right on their news feeds. Continuous rise of chatbots. The use of bots on Facebook Messenger provides an instant connection between brands and customers. Customer service remains the main domain of chatbots, and they provide automated interaction to drive sales. 4. Instagram trends can make or break your social marketing strategy. That's why it's very important to stay on top of them. Do more Instagram stories. People keep a tab on you, on where are you going, what are you doing, what are you selling, where are you traveling, etc. Again, your customers want the chance to see you and meet you in a different way, not just by sending emails and pushing sales. 5. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has expanded from working with social personalities like influencers to promote brands among their audiences. And you know, the secret to a successful influencer marketing is the authenticity. Fans of an influencer wants to believe that there is a genuine connection between the influencer and the brand or you. Other very important social media trends are Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest. From now on, it's important that you incorporate these social media strategies and transform with the latest trends. Understand how to use technology to stay ahead of the game. Keep in mind that social media marketing is a huge opportunity for small businesses and entrepreneurs to connect with customers, to grow brand awareness, and to drive sales. Learn to leverage all these trends to grow your business and boost your marketing business. I hope you got tons of value in my video, and if you want more information or if you want a personal consultation, leave me a message below. Thank you again for watching, and I really appreciate any like, love, and comments. And yes, subscribe to my channel. And remember that it's your life and it's your business. Be positive and avoid frustration. Don't give up and push yourself through consistent and persistent action. You know what? You can do this. See you.